Solve for x. Write your answer in interval notation. This one is probably the easiest one on the entire diagnostic. All you have to do is remember that the absolute value inequalities are and or problems, depending on which way the inequality is facing. Remember candy. So if it's a less than sign, you can spell candy because it looks like a C if you use your imagination, and that's the and word. If it's a greater than sign, it would be or. But you also need to remember the keep it, switch. I'm not going to write it again. You saw it in the previous problem. But keep it refers to the left side of the inequality. Switch refers to the inequality. And then the second switch is the number. We change it from positive to negative or from negative to positive, such as the case may be. All right. So we're going to go ahead and say that this is an and problem because this is less than. We can spell candy with it. We're going to write 6x minus 42 is equal to or less than or equal to 24. And 6x minus 42, that's our keep it, is greater than or equal to, there's our first switch, negative 24, there's our second switch. And we just solve both of these equations. And we solve them both the same way. We are going to add 42 to both sides. 6x is less than or equal to 24 plus 42 is 66. Let's go ahead and do that over here. Let's keep our and. 6x is equal to or greater than. If I add 42 to negative 24, that would be 20. What am I doing? 18. And then when we divide both sides by 6, we'll get the x by itself. So x is equal to or less than 11. And x is greater than or equal to 3. If we wanted to, we could write this and problem with an x in the middle, where x is going to be greater than or equal to 3, less than or equal to 11. And in interval notation, which is what it asks for, our answer would be bracket 3, comma 11 bracket. Hey, that's supposed to be a bracket, because we use brackets when we have these equal to lines. And then this would be the answer, and you're done with number 13. There we go.